Guacamole salad. History, origins, and evolution. The history of guacamole salad. Guacamole salad is a modern variation of traditional guacamole, transforming the classic Mexican avocado dip into a heartier, chunkier salad with fresh vegetables and citrus dressing. Ancient Aztec origins of guacamole. Guacamole originates from the Aztec civilization in the 1500s into present-day Mexico. The Aztecs mashed avocados, avocado, tomatoes, and salt, creating an early version of guacamole. Spanish colonists later introduced onions, lime, and cilantro, refining the recipe. The evolution into guacamole salad. While traditional guacamole is smooth and dip-like, guacamole salad evolved as a chunkier, fresher take on the dish. It became popular in Tex-Mex cuisine, often featuring diced avocados, tomatoes, onions, black beans, and corn. The salad format made guacamole more versatile, appealing to health-conscious eaters and fitting into modern meal trends. Globalization and fusion variations. Guacamole salad gained international popularity with the rise of Mexican cuisine in the U.S., especially from the 1980s onward. Restaurants and home cooks began incorporating quinoa, grilled chicken, mango, feta cheese, and more, turning it into a full meal. The dish also aligns with Mediterranean and California cuisine, where fresh, light, and plant-based meals are trending. The cultural significance. Mexican culinary heritage. Avocados are a staple in Mexican cuisine, with guacamole being a symbolic dish in celebrations like Cinco de Mayo and family gatherings. Guacamole salad honors Mexican traditions while adapting to modern dietary trends. Tex-Mex and American influence. In the U.S., guacamole salad became popularized in Tex-Mex restaurants as a side dish or taco topping. The chunky salad version allows for more texture and ingredient variety, making it appealing beyond just a dip. The health and wellness trends. Guacamole salad aligns with vegan, keto, and Whole30 diets, making it a go-to dish for health-conscious consumers. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, making this salad both nutritious and trendy. The economic aspects. The booming avocado industry. The global avocado market is valued at over $17 billion and continues to grow due to rising health-conscious consumers. Mexico is the largest producer of avocados, over 30% of global supply, exporting to the U.S., Europe, and Asia. The cost and profitability. Guacamole salad is a high-margin dish for restaurants, with avocados and veggies as low-cost, high-value ingredients. Seasonal price fluctuations affect avocado costs, with prices spiking during high-demand seasons like Super Bowl weekend. The superfood and organic trends. With the growth of organic and plant-based foods, avocado-based dishes, including guacamole salad, have become premium menu items. Many upscale restaurants and meal kits now offer gourmet guacamole salads featuring organic avocados, heirloom tomatoes, and unique toppings. My conclusion. Guacamole salad is a modern evolution of traditional Mexican guacamole, blending authentic flavors with global food trends. It is culturally significant, nutritionally beneficial, and economically valuable, making it a popular dish in restaurants, meal kits, and home kitchens worldwide. Recipe: homemade guacamole salad. A fresh, vibrant, and nutritious twist on traditional guacamole, perfect as a side dish, light meal, or taco topping. Ingredients. For the salad: 2 ripe avocados diced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, ½ cup red onion, finely diced, ½ cup cucumber, diced, adds freshness and crunch, ½ cup black beans, optional but adds protein, Half a cup corn kernels, fresh, canned, or grilled. 1 jalapeno, finely chopped, optional, for spice. A 1/4 cup cilantro, chopped. A 1/4 cup crumbled feta or cotija cheese, optional. For the lime dressing, 3 tablespoons fresh lime juice. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1 teaspoon honey or agave syrup to balance the spice. 1 teaspoon garlic, minced. 1/2 teaspoon cumin, adds warmth. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Instructions. Prepare the salad. Dice avocados, cherry tomatoes, red onion, cucumber, and jalapeno. Drain and rinse black beans and corn. In a large bowl, gently toss all ingredients together. Make the lime dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together lime juice, olive oil, honey, garlic, cumin, salt, and pepper. Assemble and serve. Pour the dressing over the salad and gently toss to coat. Top with cilantro, feta or cotija cheese, and extra lime wedges. Serve immediately or chill for 15 minutes to enhance flavors. Serving ideas. As a side dish, perfect for grilled meats, tacos, or barbecue meals. As a dip, serve with tortilla or pita chips. As a meal, add grilled shrimp, chicken, or quinoa for a protein boost. In a wrap, use as a filling for lettuce wraps or tortillas. Flavor variations. Tropical style. Add mango or pineapple for a fruity twist. Spicy version. Increase jalapeno or add red pepper flakes. Keto-friendly. Skip corn and beans and use extra avocado. Mexican-inspired. Add pomegranate seeds and toasted pepitas for crunch. My final thoughts. This guacamole salad is an easy, flavorful, and nutritious dish that works for any occasion. Would you like a spicier dressing or a completely vegan version? Let us know in the comments below. Do you love learning about the history of food? Want to see more delicious deep dives into culinary culture? Then don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Void and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. If you want to help support the channel and keep these mouth-watering videos coming, consider joining my Patreon. You'll get exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and even more tasty history. Click the link in the description to become a patron today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.